Alright guys, and habang nag-i-scroll lang ako ng mga shorts sa YouTube, si Denzel Washington pumasok doon sa feeds. Sabi niya, yung dreams daw na walang goal. So napanood ko siya ulit, pero ito yung shorts na nagpaalala. Anyway guys, bagong gupit pala ako. So okay lang ba? Pangit. Kasi gusto ko mahaba pa rin buhok ko, pero sobrang init, sumasakit na yung ulo ko because of our global warming. Napakainit ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko maintindihan maski naka-aircon kami. Pero kahit pa paano, naibsan yung temperature. Pero anyway guys, panoodin natin tong video na to.
And
Dreams without goals
come
are
on,
just dreams,
come on.
and ultimately they fuel disappointment.
Exactly.
On the road to achieving your dreams, you must apply discipline,
Discipline, come
but
on.
more importantly, consistency.
Consistency.
Because without commitment, you'll never start, but without consistency, you'll never finish.
Ako guys, simula nung nalugi na ako dito sa trading, as in talaga. Doon sumipa yung ano ko, eager to learn. As a human being, you need to fail to prosper. Na maliit na hakbang lang, bandang huli malaki ang resulta. So you need to have faith. Do your talks. Lahat ng sinasabi mo, kunyari nangarap ka. Yeah, I want to be a good trader. I want to be a good doctor. I want to be a great engineer someday. So, gawin mo. You want to be a great trader? You need to do your work. You need to discipline yourself and to become a consistency trader. Ang hirap ng disiplina guys. Sa totoo lang, I've been there. You need to manage your discipline guys. If you don't control it, that's your failure. Hindi mo ikauunlad ang walang kadisiplina. And ang disiplina, ang susi mo sa tagumpay. Minsan over trading, minsan hinahabol ang market. Even though hindi na nga paakyat yun, babay ka pa rin. Ang pagkakamali, yan ang totoo mong guro. So you need to learn from your mistakes. Hindi yung kami ang mag-a-adjust para matuto kayo. Ano pag lahat tayo nagpo-profit, which is good. So kami tools lang. So we want you to discipline yourself. Pero as far as I grow in this industry, hindi lahat ng tao sabay-sabay nagbabay. Hindi lahat ng tao sabay-sabay nagsisell. Hindi lahat ng pangyayari is maganda. So there's pros and cons sa economy ng ibang bansa, and kung maganda isang bansa, merong side effect yun to the other country. That's why I love to trade in Forex, because this is you're weighing economy of the country. So what happened to their country, it's good or bad, kayo na bahala mag-aral to their economy. So hindi ka naman marunong mag-observe ng economy ng mga bansa. You need to observe your chart. So the chart is your friend. Wala nang iba kang kaibigan kundi kung paano mo basahin ang market structure. That's why I'm always telling you guys na market structure is the basic of all good traders. Hindi kami kung nabasa lang namin, hindi. Lahat kami na natuto na marunong na dito sa trading. Dito kami nagsimula sa market structure. So, if you don't want to master the market structure, sorry guys, this is not for you. And inuunahan ko na kayo. Actually, ang dali lang ng market structure. Pero dahil eager to fast profit, nilalagpasan nila yan. So, paano ba na ma-master yun hanggat hindi mo naiintindihan guys? Hindi ko alam kung paano nyo maiintindihan. Bigla na lang papasok sa inyo yan na miracle. It's a miracle. Parang ganun. Bigla nyo na lang naintindihan. Ang galing nga ng utak ng tao, diba guys? The way you repeat the actions, hindi mo namamalayan. Yun, namamaster mo na siya. Not only on mental, and also physical. I'm going to boost your confidence if you don't stop learning. if you don't stop practicing and gaining experience here in industry. Kung ano yung nakukuha namin guys, makukuha nyo na. So nung empleyado guys, hindi ko nagagawa itong mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. Even though masaya naman doon sa opisina namin, mabait yung mga tao, mabait yung boss ko, and medyo toxic lang yung trabaho, pero it's part of the business. Pero guys, dito sa ginagawa ko ngayon, I earn on the corporate world. Ganun. So anyway guys, I hope someday that you can exit on the rat race. Sabi nga doon sa Rich Dad Poor Dad, he called it rat race because unahan lang, paangat. Kung itong katrabaho ko na to, itong katabi ko na to, dapat galingan ko para ma-promote ako. But here, galingan ko sarili ko so I can prosper on my own. I can handle on my own. Sabi nga doon sa Rich Dad Poor Dad, not work for money. Let the money work for you. That's how it is. That's how we need to live a life. Ganun talaga ang buhay, guys. So I hope that someday you get the skills and always grinding the skills, learning the knowledge, and of course, kung nandito na rin kayo sa larangan na to and you have the skills, the knowledge, and you're earning the profit, share the blessings, guys. Anyway, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye!